Before we start the video, I'd like to mention that I'm also an alumnus of Amity University, so showing the Amity logo in this video shall not be an issue. Recently, I came across a specific formatting requirement at Amity University. The preliminary pages, such as acknowledgements, certificate, etc., must be numbered in Roman numerals, and from the abstract onwards until the appendix, the pages should be numbered in Arabic numerals. Here's how to set this up in Microsoft Word. First, click on the paragraph marks icon to display all page breaks and section breaks. This helps you see how your document is structured. Your document should be divided into 3 sections to achieve this format. Step 1. Create the first section break. Scroll to the end of the part where you want the new numbering to start, for example, before the abstract. If there's already a section break, delete it to avoid conflict. Then, go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, select Next Page, then go to Insert, Page Number, then bottom or top of the page as you wish. Step 2. Set Arabic numbering. Go to the page where you want Arabic numbering to begin, usually the abstract. Double-click in the header-footer area to activate it. Click Link to Previous to turn it off. Unlink from the previous section. Go to Insert or Header-Footer tab wherever it appears. Choose Page Number, then click on Format Page Numbers. Choose Start at 1. Now, the pages from the abstract onwards will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Step 3. Set Roman numbering for preliminary pages. Go back to the title page. Repeat the steps, layout, breaks, next page to create a section break after the title page. Move to the first page of the preliminary section, that is after the title page. Again, in the header footer, turn off Link to Previous. Go to Insert, Page Number, Format Page Numbers, select the number format as Roman numerals and choose Start at I. Click OK. Step 4. Hide numbering on the title page. Finally, if you don't want a page number to appear on the title page itself, go to the title page header footer and check Different First Page under the header and footer tools. Lastly, don't forget to turn off the paragraph marks icon. Make sure the page numbers are in the correct sequence and format throughout your document. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share. Thanks for watching.